tofu black bean burgers with tahini secret sauce. Super easy to make. You're going to want to stick around for this one. All right, first off, we're going to take our black beans. We have rinse and drain, and then we've pulled 3/4 of a cup out. We're going to dump that in our bowl. We're going to get our smusher, and we're going to smush. We've got a good smushy smush there. Now we're going to throw in the rest of our can of beans whole, along with 1/4 of a chopped onion, 1/4 of a red bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic chopped. We have a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, pepper to your tasting, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now we're going to get everything good and combined. All right, now that everything is combined, we're going to divide this up into 4 equal parts. I'm going to utilize my cutting board here. Now we're going to get our hands dirty. All right, I have a silicone baking mat here that when I make my patties, I'm going to put them on. All right. Now that I have these on my silicone baking sheet, very important step, they have to go in the refrigerator, and chill for a minimum of an hour. We need the panko breadcrumbs and the smushed up beans to do their magic and get a cohesive burger patty. And we'll bring you back. Now we're going to get our secret sauce prepared for our burgers. Starting out, we have 3 tablespoons of tahini in our bowl. We're going to add to it 2 tablespoons of relish. I got dill relish here. Hey! Guess the dog has something to say about that. Alright. 2 tablespoons of corn syrup free ketchup. A tablespoon of red wine vinegar. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Oh. Making a mess. And just a sprinkling of garlic powder. I'm going to get this combined up. So right now it's a little thick. That's okay. We can add a tablespoon of water to this at a time until we get the consistency that we want. Okay, we got our bean burger patties out of the refrigerator. We have a preheated pan. And we're going shooting for probably about 10 minutes, flipping halfway. And we'll go from there. All right, now that we've got our patties cooked up, I have 2 steamed tortillas. If you want to use buns or bread, you certainly can. We're going to take our tahini secret sauce here, slather it around. Got my patty. It's like perfect size. I should start doing cooking shows. Got a big old hunk of local grown tomato. And a little bit of red onion. This is the rest of dinner. We have some broccoli slaw. Along with some fresh corn on the cob. All right, you know what comes next. Now that's a tasty burger.